Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. What you cooking? Today we'll be cooking this beautiful lemon drizzle cake. First up, we'll whisk 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl. Then add 200 grams of vegetable oil. To that, we're going to add 110 grams of sugar. Add the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of 1 lemon. Give that all a really good whisk. I have 200 grams of self-raising flour. I'm going to add to that 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to give that a good mix together before sifting into my wet ingredients. Whisk that all up until it forms a smooth batter. And pour your smooth lemon batter into your well-greased baking tin. And bake at 180 Celsius for 35 minutes in your preheated oven. Whilst the cake is baking, I've heaped 7 tablespoons of icing sugar into a bowl, and I've added about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm just going to stir that together until it's nice and smooth. If you want your icing thicker, then of course add more icing sugar and add a small amount of lemon juice until you get the type of thickness that you want. I've allowed my lemon cake to cool right down before I start pouring on the icing. I didn't want my icing too thick, so I wanted it at a runny consistency, but like I said, if you want yours thicker, then add more icing sugar and a little less lemon juice. Allow it to dry for about 30 minutes before cutting. And there it is, our deliciously light and moist lemon drizzle cake. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.